Hi Planner fam, it's Heather here, and it is just after the middle of the month, so it is time for a Sticky Club unveiling for this month. And if you aren't familiar with Sticky Club, I will leave my referral link in a description in the comments. Basically, it is a sticker subscription service, and there are 3 different varieties of stickers. There's cute, vintage, and the pop pack, and I am subscribed to 2 packs. I'm subscribed to the pop pack and also the vintage pack. But the cool thing about Sticky Club is you can switch up which style that you want to subscribe to each month. So let's say they release the preview for the pop pack and I wasn't really interested in it, but I saw that the cute pack was something I really wanted. I could just switch my style for that month to the cute pack and get those stickers instead. And Sticky Club also gives you accessories. So I've gotten things like fun paper clips, patch stickers, little paper pads, and other accessories, bookmarks. So it's not just stickers. And if you like to use like decorative accent stickers in your planners or for scrapbooking, this is a super fun way to discover new artists and sticker styles and just kind of change things up each month. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the pop pack. And here we can see the theme is Twisted Nature. There's some angry looking mushrooms. So it's almost like a psychedelic kind of theme. And I can already see we have some fun accessories. So we have from, it's kind of hard to read the name. I'm going to take it out of the package. And if you ever see something in my videos from Sticky Club, just know that you can buy individual stickers and things. They do sell them on their website. So you can always look and see what's been in past packs and just find things that you really like that way. So this is from the IG is Royal Ghost March, and the artist is Nikki Modicalum. I'm maybe pronouncing your name wrong, I apologize. And it is this just fun forest scape with stars, and it has these bright like psychedelic mushrooms. And I'm really excited about getting darker colored paper pads because I finally got white gel pens. So I will be using this. And then there's a little pocket. Looks like we have a couple other accessories here. So we have a snake bookmark paper clip. I am super excited about this because I have a whole bunch of Slytherin stuff and that kind of thing for October, and so this will be really fun to use then just as another fun accent in my planner. And then we have a sticker patch, and it is this kind of angry looking kitty cat. Kind of reminds me of Figaro in the middle of the night when he's hungry and he wants to wake me up to get food. So that could be to decorate the outside of something. All right, now we're gonna go into all of the stickers. And you also get with Sticky Club the storage for these are just simple like A5 sleeves. So I usually keep these in an A5 binder so I can go back and I can reuse these for sticker storage. But they always come in one of these every month. So it looks like we have some washi stickers, and these are like a hollow foil, and you can see the rainbow effect as I do that. So these are kind of cool. It's like a jungle theme almost. And then we have, I'm looking to see if there is an artist name listed. I don't see one, but that's okay. So this is just this sort of kind of crazy cartoony, almost like anime, like old school like video game. It reminds me of the movie Cool World, which was really obscure movie, but it reminds me of that. And then we have some clear stickers, and these are kind of like bohemian and deserty. You've got some bones, and you also got like the Pegasus flying. This cactus like in the shape of a heart, like an actual heart, like a human heart. It's very interesting. A lot of this is reminding me of like tattoo art. So here we have some more mushrooms and flowers that have been anthropomorphized, and they are in those, again, bright psychedelic colors. Ooh, so this is awesome. We have, these are like mason jars that have different insects in them. So we've got butterflies, there's a snail. Some of these would be good for like Halloween. Others are just kind of cutesy, like the butterflies and stuff. Grasshopper. And these are gold foil clear stickers. Try and hold them up against something that is white so you can see a little bit better. So that is the mason jar bugs. Ooh, we have some more snakes. So these are like really cool pop art style snakes, and they're stamps. And then we have these different animals. So there's like eagles and birds, and there's a possum and some moths, and they are, again, by that artist who did the paper pad, Royal Ghost March. It has their information there, and it's again in those really saturated psychedelic purples. And they did include a little advertisement for the Hanami collection, which is something that is also sold by STICKII Club. So they have like little washi cases and different things. Sometimes they'll do like special edition boxes like this, so that's what that is. And that is everything that came in the pop pack. So we're gonna move on to the vintage pack. It looks like they advertise this in all the packs. So the theme for the vintage pack is By the Lantern Light. And this looks very like floating world, Japanese art inspired. So we have some lily pads, and this is a paper pad. And then this almost looks like a clear stamp. Sometimes they will give you stamps, but like it's very much scrapbooking and like mixed media decorative planning. Let's see, this looks like bamboo, like a bamboo forest. And that is what it is. And it is indeed a clear stamp. So that would be something you can use and reuse to do this bamboo effect. So that's pretty cool that you got a stamp in this. And then Nicholas Tower is the featured artist. And this is just a bookmark. Oh, and this is a double-sided bookmark. Sometimes they're double-sided, sometimes it's just white on the back, so that's cool that that's double-sided. And he has, it looks like kind of almost a Musha-inspired look, which I love. So you got a bookmark. Well, let's get into the stickers. This is a pretty good amount of stickers in here. So again, with that sort of Japanese floating world inspired theme, we have these beautiful circle stickers that have this gold foiling, and they almost look like enamel. Like, these are really nice, like high quality stickers, and they're pretty thick. It might be vinyl. And then we have some different bonsai plants. And these beautiful, again, Japanese style pots. And here we have, tying in that theme of by the lantern light, we have the different lanterns and light structures with, it looks like cherry blossoms as well throughout that. And here we have some cranes, we have koi fish, we have different kind of gardens and bonsai trees in this very painterly style. We have more of the cherry blossoms. I like that they have lots of different stickers that have different styles, but it's all kind of the same theme going through. So it looks like we have some washi stickers, and these are very much like ornate, like kind of pottery themed, very much reminiscent of sort of the Asian inspired Art Nouveau, traditional sort of prints, a lot of like jade colors and patterns. And here we have some different pagodas and other structures. We have a bridge. So some architectural stuff. And then lastly, we've got from Nicholas Tower, again, the artist who did the bookmark. We have, ooh, this looks like almost like a no drama mask. And these are like washi stickers, but they're like, they look like foiled paintings. I'm getting like Gustav Klimt vibes from the gold, like ornate decoration on them. And they're just very beautiful. Again, almost like Musha inspired, where you have this kind of almost like a fairy lady with her hair floating upward, and all of the flowers surrounding and the different colors just saturating. Like, this is really, really beautiful. And I like it because, again, STICKII Club always uses these really, like, just, it's a good way to find like different artists, and they feature their work, and so you can learn more about a particular artist. And then if you really like their work, you know, you can go and find more of their creations and support them. So this is absolutely gorgeous. This is really pretty. I'm very happy with this. This is a really fun pack. So I am just gonna stick everything back so we can sum up. I really do like this vintage pack. I wasn't a fan of the vintage pack from the previous, in January I switched to the cute pack, but I do feel like they really stepped it up this month. They brought the theme together. The fact that they gave us a stamp, and it's a pretty decent size stamp. It's like the size of a $50, and really pulled all the themes together. I think that is awesome. So I will leave more information about STICKII Club and the different ways to find them and their sticker packs. But I get mine for $11 each. It is a monthly subscription, and you do have the option to skip a month. So sometimes I will do that if I don't see anything that I'm interested in, or I just need to take a break from stickers for a bit. But I think that it's a really fun way of discovering new stickers for scrapbooking or decorative planning. And I cannot wait to show you guys next month when it comes. Like this video, comment below if you'd like to see more spreads with Sticky Club stickers or more scrapbooking stuff. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.